And one of the things that we don't like in real estate very much is solar leases. Because if the lease wasn't very good to start with, and now you're expecting somebody to assume a bad lease, if you will, it could have an effect on whether or not that property even sells.
I've seen it happen.
Yeah. And so what I liked about what this company's doing is that, again, they're basically leasing space on your roof. They're putting a solar system on there. They're responsible for the maintenance. They're responsible for maintaining replacing batteries, doing all those things. And they guarantee you a set rate for your power for like 20 years. And what I also liked about it was that if the person wants to sell that property, they just simply transfer the utility over to the next buyer, and it's an automatic qualifier.
No credit run. No payment to inherit.
Nothing. It's a utility company.
Yep.
And the rate is better than what you're going to get on PG&E. So I was kind of blown away by it. I'm very confident that this is going to be the direction that the entire state's going to go here real soon.
Yep.
So I was, for a real estate company, for us, we want to make sure our consumers are able to, not have a lease on a solar system have an impact on what they can afford to buy.
Totally.
It's just not fair. So this is going to be a really cool thing.
For people listening, a lot of people aren't aware, but there is an opportunity right now in California that didn't exist very long ago where you can actually get into solar with zero out of pocket. The state-of-the-art panels, backup battery system, and even a new roof. And if it's something you want to know about, we're going to put some links in the description. Or if you're an existing homeowner or someone wants to buy a house, we talked about the home energy assessment report. Think of it as a home inspection. This is something that's totally free, and it will give you all the information on any property in America, telling you what the bill is, ways that you can save money with your own money, just getting simple upgrades, but also all of these options that are available right now.
So the report that you're talking about where I think you're talking about the one where it basically does an assessment of your house completely and gives you recommendations even without solar. And then it also talks about when you put solar on, what that difference might be based on if you were in PG&E, for example.
Exactly. So we'll definitely put that in the description.